Welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about greetings based on the timings of the day. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Let's begin our journey for today. Hello, Namaskar. Namaskar, said with a folded hand and can be used at any time of the day, even when you're saying goodbye to someone. You can greet someone with Namaskar. You can say bye someone with Namaskar. Dawn in Bengali is called Bhor. Bhor. Morning in Bengali is Shokal. Shokal. Good morning will be Shubho Shokal. Shubho Shokal. Afternoon in Bengali is Dupur. Dupur. In very formal Bengali, when somebody is speaking in extremely formal language, sometimes afternoon is referred to as Oporanno. Oporanno. But mostly colloquially we say Dupur. Dusk or twilight in Bengali is Bikal or Bikel. Bikal or Bikel. Evening in Bengali is Shondha. Shondha. Good evening will be Shubho Shondha. Shubho Shondha. Night in Bengali is Ratri or Rak. Ratri or Rak. Good night. Shubho Ratri. Shubho Ratri or Shubho Rak. Shubho Rak. But mostly we say Shubho Ratri.